Tuff Terrain 270-degree awning. This is what I call a real awning. It provides double the shade of a standard 4x4 awning. The setup of this awning is quite easy even in windy conditions. I am able to set this awning up by myself using an ocky strap attached to my roof rack. That keeps the awning tight to the vehicle while I put the tent poles in. Having said that, when setting up in the wind, it is easy to see why a second person would be a handy fail-safe in case of that one big gust, and this is true for any 4x4 awning. The Tuff Terrain awning is made from 280 gram polyester cotton blend canvas that is 100% waterproof in the rain. I know that from experience. It comes with 4 adjustable tent poles and 4 guy ropes. It also includes 4 standard pegs, however I automatically get a good heavy peg for all my gear as I have a habit of bending the thin ones. The awning bag is both waterproof and UV proof and has plenty of room, allowing easy pack up. None of that typical holding your tongue in the right position to get the bag zipped up again.